Today, we're going to make a delicious chocolate sauce. It's so easy and quick, you never need to buy sauce for your ice cream.
You can dip fruit such as strawberries or pineapple, or you can coat marshmallows or butter cookies.
It's like a chocolate fondue. Let's make some. To make chocolate sauce, we need Cheri's HazelCream, unsweetened cocoa, sugar, salt, and vanilla. I'm going to ask Eileen to assist me with this. It's a very simple recipe. There's no heat on yet. You're going to whisk the cocoa, the sugar, and a little bit of salt. Are you ready for some liquid?
I'm ready.
All right, let's turn some heat on. Let's go low. Got it. And then once we have a nice, even liquid, we're going to turn it up higher.
Okay. Make sure this is low.
All right, let's give it a little bit more heat. It can actually come to a slight boil, or close to a boil.
Actually, it's mixing quite easily.
Mm-hmm.
Smells delicious. Size there.
We're almost to a boil there.
That's great. That comes in handy.
All right, so I'm going to turn it down,
Okay.
and we're going to whisk it for another 2 minutes or so
Okay.
on simmer.
Yeah. A little bit of something going on there. I can smell the chocolate. It's a beautiful color, beautiful dark color. It's just lovely.
So let's turn off the burner, and then we're going to add our vanilla.
Oh, that smells so good. The chocolate, the vanilla together. Really aromatic. Oh,
Have a marshmallow.
Try it. 2, 3.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.